go back in time and make history, but that's never going to happen. Hey sis, why can't I see Romans marching?
I think our wish came true.
Now I can know everything I need to about my homework. Come on.
Bow before Caesar.
Did he say bow? Who is Caesar?
Wow, he's the great Caesar. He's very important.
Hi thou friends, come forth for battle.
Wait, stand still. I've always wanted a picture of a Roman.
How thou have that extraordinary
Camera. It's a camera? I thought Romans were advanced. Look, it takes pictures. Zeus. You two have been sent by Zeus.
I always knew I was really important. Right, Caesar, what we need you to do is stop fight. It's not good, you Romans are just bullies. I'm sure you like your butts, but you're not very clever, are you?
Wow, this is very helpful. Now I can know everything I need to for my homework on the Romans. Miss Teddy George says that if I do my homework, I'll get 10 golden stars. Isn't that great? Would you mind coming in the future with us? Wow, at this rate I might get even 20, perhaps 30. Wow, I'm really important in the future. It is right that us Romans should be honored. I cannot visit with you in the future as I have to invade Gaul. It says in my diary.
You can have our camera as a gift if you give up fighting and invading half the planet. Take photos instead.
I bought that camera through hard work and she's giving it away just to stop him fighting. And I won't even have any photos to take in for my homework.
Right, Caesar, go and tell your legions to stop fighting. Show them the camera, that should do the trick. Okay, bye.